Driven by German Design shows many different design objects, from cutlery to clocks to chairs to kitchen aids. Today, one of our experts, Dr. Mateo Kries, the director of the Vitra Design Museum, will talk about collecting design objects. We'll talk about curating design exhibitions. He will try to answer the question, why do design objects belong into museum collections?
Design is a relatively young discipline, and it's also not so long since design is shown in museums. We're surrounded by design everywhere, with our dress, with our clothes, with the buildings we live in. We cannot hide from design, and given that importance of design, I think there's few design museums, so there should be more debates about and presence of design in museums. It's always a great honor and a pleasure to share this with a large audience. So our mission as a design museum is really to reach a large public, to not only speak to a professional audience, but also to families, to children, elderly people, because there is a lot of design which is produced for these groups in society. And there's such a big responsibility that designers have to use their profession for the goods of all these people in society. And that's what we want to convey as a design museum.